back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe, Cancun Chile Habanero Salsa, that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my hands are clean and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this Cancun Habanero Salsa, these are the ingredients: tomatillos, habanero chilies, garlic cloves, salt, and a piece of onion. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing Cancun Habanero Salsa. So let's get started. I am ready to show you how to prepare this Cancun Habanero Salsa. It's really easy. It comes out delicious. It's spicy, and you know I love spicy food. I was on vacation and I tried this delicious habanero salsa, and I said, well, I need to find out how they prepare it so I could prepare it here at home and share it with you. And here I have my habanero chilies and my tomatillos, and I'm going to rinse them really good, making sure that I take the sticky texture of the tomatillos off. While I'm rinsing away, I have the skillet getting nice and hot in medium heat, and now I am ready to add the chili habaneros, the tomatillos, onto my skillet. I'm going to go ahead, add it in here, add my habanero chilies, and of course I'm going to add the onion and my 3 garlic cloves. This salsa, it's spicy, it's delicious, and it's authentic from Cancun. I am sure that once you make it, you are really going to enjoy it. Of course, you have all the ingredients and the measurements in the description box. Make sure that you roast everything in medium heat. The first thing that's gonna roast really nicely are the garlic cloves. I am going to go ahead, roast them really good, and those are the first that I am going to remove. Look at this. These habanero chilies are nice and orange. They're gonna be nice and spicy. If you love spicy salsas, well, this is going to be the #1 for you. Well, here I am going to continue roasting the habanero chilies, the onion, and my tomatillos. After a couple minutes, you could really see that the habanero chilies are getting really puffy, really roasted, and they are already releasing their amazing flavor. Okay, I am ready to remove them, and I am ready to remove the onion. You want to make sure that everything is nice and roasted. And here I'm going to leave my tomatillos for a couple more minutes. Look at this. The aroma of all these veggies getting nice and roasted have invaded my kitchen. This salsa, it's a very authentic salsa. Everywhere you go in Cancun, everyone has this salsa and they share it with you. So here I'm gonna get the little stems off of every single one. And of course, don't add anything else. Make this habanero salsa as I am showing you. It's going to blend perfectly and it's going to taste amazing. You could add it in so many dishes, especially in tacos. Well, here I'm adding the onion, the habanero chilies to my blender, the tomatillos nice and roasted, and of course, the garlic cloves. Once you add everything in here, I am going to add the salt.
Remember that the salt is to taste. There is no need to add anything I blend it for a couple minutes until it's really smooth, and let me show you the texture. Look at this. It's really thick, runny, but not too runny that it'll run really loose. No, you are really going to love this amazing habanero salsa. Nice and roasted. The texture is just amazing, and the aroma of all the veggies roasted, just perfection, made at home. And of course, I am going to decorate it, and I am going to enjoy it here at home with my family with some homemade quesadillas. I have my tortillas on a hot skillet. I'm adding my cheese right on the top, and then I am ready to make my tacos. Can't wait to enjoy. If you liked and loved this video, leave me thumbs up, share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. But look how I am going to enjoy this delicious habanero salsa, authentic from Cancun, Mexico. I can't wait to enjoy. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit.
My friends, I am completely done with this Cancun habanero salsa that I know you guys are going to love. Of course, I'm going to enjoy it with some quesadillas, and I'm adding a little bit more right on the top. Believe me, if you love spicy food, you are going to love this salsa. Excuse me. Amazing. It's spicy, but yet not too spicy where you cannot enjoy it. You are really going to love it. Look at this. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. And of course, I am going to refresh myself with the homemade lemonade that you already have on my channel. If you liked and loved this recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.